I've got my Traxxas Maxx. I'm going to be running that on 4S. Let me get the controller turned on and get her started up, and we'll hopefully do some backflips and some pretty cool stuff. Wonder if the Max can get off of the picnic table. Probably not. Oh yeah, I can do that. No problemo. But here we go, guys. The Max performs so much better now that it has got the WideMaxx kit. Sweet. Bring her back in this direction. Pin. Oh. I didn't realize there's a tree right there. Did I break anything? I hit that pretty good. Hit it with this side. I don't see anything right off the bat that looks broken or damaged, so let's just keep on going. How about a launch? We haven't gotten a launch yet. Ready, get set, go! The dust is rolling. We're gonna hit the ramp, guys, and try to do some double backflips maybe. Here we go. That was a nice one, actually. Wasn't a double. I want to do a double. I don't know if I can do a double. These tires will probably actually explode if I try to do a double. Let's carry a little bit more speed. Nice. Give that a thumbs up if you thought that was pretty cool. Fly by. Whoa, this thing does really wheelie pretty effortlessly, even on 4S. But the weird thing is it doesn't make like the noise the x-maxx makes, because this is like a miniature x-maxx, but it doesn't really sound like it. Like, it sounds much more tame. The x-maxx has a much louder, it might be a combination of both motor and tire noise, because the x-maxx just makes a lot more noise when it's coming at you. Let's try this again. Ouch. Ouch. Spin her around, a little bit more speed this time. Here we go. Nice. That was a really good one, actually. Nice. Almost took out my tripod. Forgot I had that there. Take her a little bit further down that way. Got her pinned. You can see those tires want to freaking explode. Bringing her back. Got her pinned. I think they will explode if I keep on doing that. The front ones anyway are definitely going to explode if I keep on doing those high-speed flybys like that. But they're so much fun. Bring her around the tree, and here she comes. Pinned. Let's do another one from that direction. Hopefully we don't blow the tires. All right, I'm pinned. Oh, crap. I took out my tripod. I bent the crap out of it. Look what I did to the leg of my tripod. It bent it. Oh, hopefully I can get that bent back. All right, well, I broke my tripod. The aluminum leg broke because I ran right into it. Let's just do a little bit more. I think it's probably going to hit low voltage mode pretty soon. I don't think it's gonna work. Not to mention, I'll definitely blow a tire open trying to do that self-righting. I wasn't actually pressing the self-righting button either. I was just flooring it back and forth myself. Get her flipped over and keep on going. Yeah, I think I maybe do need to put a little bit heavier weight oil in these shocks, because people have said 50 weight minimum. I mean, it can soak up bumps way better now because it has the WideMaxx kit, but you can see it still gets kind of bucked around. Pin. How are those? I don't know how those haven't exploded yet, those tires. Jesus Christ. Oh. Good thing I Gorilla taped this body. That was quite the cartwheel she did. I think I just hit a bump in the, kind of bucked it. She hasn't hit low voltage mode yet, so let's get the body back on and do a little bit more ripping. Right? And good to keep on going. It's pretty fun though, that's pretty cool. I just know the tires are... Oh, f***. A wheel came off. Ouch. Oh, that wasn't just a wheel came off, guys. We broke a drive shaft. Completely snapped in there. Oh. Yeah, I thought the wheel nut came off. Well, it's not the wheel nut. The drive shaft broke right where the pin goes through. Well, that's going to be the end for the Maxx, guys. Wonder if I can get it back to the Jeep. I think I can. Give her a bit of a kick. Oh yeah, no problem. I can keep on bashing like this. Thank you guys for watching. Look forward to seeing you guys next video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed.